Greetings, my young scholars. I'm Evangelista Torricelli, and I'm honored to be here today at the invitation of the great big teacher to share my story with you. I was born in Italy in the year 1608, a time when the mysteries of the natural world were still hidden from human understanding. But I was never satisfied with what was already known. I wanted to ask questions, challenge ideas, and seek the truth. And through this pursuit, I discovered something that changed science forever: the barometer. Imagine a time when people believed that air had no weight, that the sky above us was empty. Mariners set sail without any knowledge of approaching storms, and scholars could not explain why water could only rise to a certain height in a pump. It was in this world that I began my work. In the year 1643, I conducted an experiment using a long glass tube filled with mercury, upending it into a dish. To my amazement, the mercury did not spill out entirely but stayed at a certain level. Why? Because the air around us was pressing down, exerting an invisible force. I had just proven that air has weight and created the first artificial vacuum, a feat many had believed impossible. Though my barometer was a marvel of its time, it was not an immediate commercial success. Scholars and some sailors recognized its value, but I did not seek to profit from it. I believed that knowledge should be shared, not hoarded. And look at what has happened since. Today, the barometer is used in countless ways. Weather prediction. Meteorologists use it to forecast storms and climate changes. Aviation and space airplanes rely on barometric altimeters, and space missions use similar principles. Smart technology. Your phones and watches now contain tiny barometers to track elevation and weather. Medical and industrial uses. From understanding respiratory diseases to ensuring precision in manufacturing, my discovery has shaped many fields. Sports and exploration. Climbers, divers, and skydivers depend on barometers to measure altitude and pressure changes. I sometimes wonder, what if I had patented the barometer? What if I had sold it to kings and merchants, making myself a wealthy man? Instead, I chose a different path. I shared my knowledge freely so that science could advance. Today, industries make billions using barometric technology. But for me, the true wealth was in discovery and progress. But my story is not over. The barometer continues to evolve, and you, yes, you, could be part of its future. AI and climate science, advanced models will help predict extreme weather and natural disasters. Space exploration, future Mars and Moon missions will depend on barometric readings to understand alien atmospheres. Smart homes and IoT. Imagine homes that adjust air pressure and climate automatically. Medical innovations. Scientists are exploring the role of air pressure in health, leading to new treatments for diseases. Experiment. Try recreating my barometer and witness physics in action. Innovate. Think of new ways to use barometric technology in smart devices and medicine. Contribute to science. Use your phone's barometer to record data for climate research. Explore space. Study atmospheric pressure and help shape interplanetary exploration. I could have been rich, but instead, I chose to be great. My invention is now shaping industries, saving lives, and unlocking the secrets of our world and beyond. My dear students, remember this: curiosity leads to discovery. Discovery leads to progress. And progress, when shared, leads to a better world. Will you be the next Torricelli? The choice is yours. Keep questioning, keep experimenting, and above all, keep learning.